This is the Guide to Georgia Outdoors, and in this video we're going to show you how to clean a duck the way I call the quick and featherless method, and then we're going to show you one of our favorite recipes, loaded duck hash browns. All right, we're going to salvage what we can out of this hunt. It wasn't a great hunt, but we killed one duck, but that's kind of been what hunting has been for the past couple of days for us. We've hunted every day this weekend and killed about one duck per hunt. So ever since Christmas, hunting's been tough. But we got this this one wood duck, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it out, and Drew's gonna throw us down a breakfast. We're at his house. I really like my outdoor edge knife, but I don't have it, so we're gonna use the old-fashioned pocket knife today. And I call this the featherless method of cleaning ducks, where you don't get feathers everywhere. And what I like to do is find that breastbone, work down it, and kind of fillet the bone off. So if you're getting close right here. By the way, I shot this duck with a pretty tight choke and some number 3 shots. That's why it's kind of pretty damaged right there. But you feel the bone, cut down, follow that bone, and you got to get to the feathers. That's the toughest part. And then fillet the breast over. And you just do so and follow that breastbone. And what you're doing is leaving all those feathers intact. And just, when you get it all the way down, start pulling that meat off the skin. Just like that. And there is your breast completely intact without getting any feathers anywhere or minimal feathers. So that's the way to do it. It's a good time to check for pellets, and that one was flying right over me as a short shot. So I know I got some pellets in there. We're gonna check that out. We're gonna cut it up in strips, and Drew's gonna mix it in with our breakfast this morning. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Y'all like jalapenos?
Love them. Love them. There we go. We got both of our breasts. We're gonna let Drew clean them up and strip them up just a little bit, but wood duck is one of the better eaten ducks that I've ever eaten. Some of them are not worth eating at all. Hooded merganser, you just do something else with that one, but these are actually pretty good. Now, pretty interesting, as I had a guy reach out to me, he's from Canada, and they don't get wood ducks up there, and he asked me if I would save him some of these flank feathers. The flank feathers, he likes to use these right here, these ones in that area, for tying flies, for catching trout and whatever up in Canada. So I'm gonna try to pluck some of these out and might send them up to him. So those are pretty cool feathers. The wood duck is one of the prettiest ducks that there is to kill. Drew, wood ducks are one of the best eating ducks around. So what you plan on doing with the duck this morning?
All right, we're gonna go with a loaded hash brown. We're gonna throw the hash browns on, get them nice and brown. We got bacon we're gonna mix with it. We got hot sausage, duck breast, and a little onion and jalapeno.
That sounds like a pretty good breakfast. I just wish we had more ducks to add, but Drew knows better. He didn't just depend on duck meat today. He brought bacon and sausage, so we're gonna eat good. And that's some of the joys about hunting is the after party, you know, eating a good breakfast. All right, now throw me that slab of Havarti right on the top. There we go. We'll let that melt down. We got bacon, we got sausage, we got backstrap, peppers and onions, duck, hash browns. I got it all mixed together in that pile right there under some Havarti cheese. When it gets good and melted, put it on that plate, going inside of me. There you go. Flip upside down. Perfect, right there. That is a breakfast of champions right there. About to hurt myself on this. All right, add a little bit of ketchup, mustard, because you got to have some of that on your duck hash browns. But boy, it's got a little bit of everything. This is like wild game hash browns. This may be one of the best looking things that Drew's ever cooked. So here we go. All right, here's gonna make me hurt myself. All kinds of meats. If it flies, if it's in the mud, if it's on land, he's got it in here. Oh yeah. That right there, I could tell with the fresh duck. Look here, it's the simple things in life, eating breakfast with your buddies after just the average hunt. This makes it so much better. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're honest, we try to keep honest information on the channel. Duck hunting's tough. I wish I could tell you every time you go out there, you're gonna get a limit. I wish every time I went out there, got a limit, but that's just not how it is. But like I always say, you can't kill them from the bed. So if you would hit that subscribe button, really helps us out with the channel, making content, and we keep bringing it to you. So hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one, get your hand away from that, Drew. Until the next one, this has been the unofficial, no doubt incomplete guide, Georgia Outdoors. It worked.